OvrStream is a graphic overlay suite for streamers that allows you to display live, data-driven graphics to your broadcast, and with a host of newly introduced features, creating professional quality alerts has never been easier. The all-new Inputs library streamlines the process of creating new alerts. Say you want to create a new subscriber alert for Twitch. Just drag the Twitch subscriber input into the scene list, then drag your favorite design onto the new alert, and your customized graphic is ready to go. Repeat this process for each new alert type you want. Subscribers, donors, followers, hosts, you name it. Thanks to a vast library of designs and a pre-packaged scene list, OvrStream gives you the ability to create a unique and professional stream overlay within minutes. When it comes to customization, OvrStream can't be beat. Colors, text, graphics, size, and location can all be changed right inside the preview window, even in the middle of a stream. Even the interface is fully customizable. Hide, drag, and undock each tab to make your workspace fit your needs. Changing your data-driven elements is just as easy. Each input comes with its own variables, which you can apply to your alert instantly. For example, the hosting alert design doesn't normally display the number of new viewers, but we can change that just by dragging the quantity variable onto our bottom text. And with OvrStream Ultimate, take your designs to the next level by double-clicking on an alerts preview in the scene list to open the title designer, where you have full creative control over your design, including animations, sounds, and so much more we can't even fit it in this video. OvrStream Ultimate also comes with live video integration, most commonly used for facecams, as well as NDI inputs, complete with a variety of frames and video effects for every situation. OvrStream is compatible with most major streaming services on the market, including Twitch, YouTube, and Facebook Live, but also a variety of broadcast tool software services such as Streamlabs and GameWisp. OvrStream can even interpret data from text-based services like Streamlabels. Say goodbye to extensive source lists and browser-based graphics. OvrStream compiles all of your overlay needs in one easy-to-use program. Download OvrStream for free at OvrStream.com today.